What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Synevra Ultra Lift before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Synevra Ultra Lift works. What is the Synevra Ultra Lift? Synevra Ultra Lift is a Swiss-inspired skincare serum developed to support the appearance of smoother, firmer, and more radiant-looking skin through consistent daily use. It is designed for individuals seeking a non-invasive, cosmetic solution that fits easily into a modern skincare routine while helping improve hydration, texture, and overall skin appearance. The formula features a carefully selected blend of cosmetic science ingredients, including a dipeptide complex, sodium hyaluronate, and antioxidant vitamins such as C and E. These ingredients are commonly used in premium skincare products to help reduce the visible appearance of fine lines and expression wrinkles while supporting moisture retention, skin elasticity, and a healthier-looking complexion. Synevra UltraLift Skincare. Synevra UltraLift is manufactured in facilities that follow good manufacturing practices and meet FDA-registered facility standards, ensuring quality, consistency, and safety throughout the production process. It is positioned as a cosmetic wellness product, not a drug or medical treatment, and does not claim to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Instead, it supports preventive skincare goals by helping maintain skin hydration and resilience against everyday environmental stressors. Designed for daily morning or evening use, Synevra UltraLift absorbs quickly and layers well with other skincare products. Results may vary depending on skin type, consistency of use, and lifestyle factors, with improvements typically appearing gradually rather than instantly. To provide added confidence, Synevra UltraLift is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, allowing users to try the product risk-free while exploring its potential benefits for long-term skin support. How does it work? Synevra UltraLift is a Swiss-inspired dual-action skincare system designed to help your skin look smoother, firmer, and more radiant. Its lift and lock approach combines advanced topical care with internal nutritional support, targeting fine lines, wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and dullness while promoting hydration, natural glow, and overall skin health. UltraLift Serum, targeted skin support. The UltraLift Serum delivers peptides, sodium hyaluronate, and antioxidant vitamins C and E directly to the skin. This topical formula works to smooth the appearance of fine lines, boost hydration, improve elasticity, and enhance overall texture and tone. With regular use, the serum helps restore a refreshed and youthful-looking complexion while layering easily with other skincare products for a simple, daily routine. Vitalock Complex, Internal Beauty Nutrition. Complementing the serum, the Vitalock Complex provides essential nutrients such as biotin, niacinamide, zinc, and botanical extracts. These nutrients work from within to support the skin's natural renewal processes, strengthen hair and nails, and enhance long-term skin resilience. By combining internal nourishment with external care, Synevra UltraLift ensures a comprehensive approach to overall skin health and beauty. Hydration and plumping effects. Deep hydration is essential for youthful-looking skin. Synevra UltraLift helps retain moisture, plump the skin, and improve softness and suppleness. By supporting the skin's natural barrier, it temporarily reduces the visibility of fine lines and creates a refreshed, rejuvenated appearance that develops gradually over time with consistent use. Texture, tone, and radiance. Consistent use of Synevra UltraLift promotes smoother skin texture, evens out skin tone, and enhances natural radiance. The dual-action system works beyond surface-level improvements, helping skin look more luminous, resilient, and healthy. Over time, users can notice subtle but cumulative changes in glow, firmness, and overall appearance.